What is that? What?
Hello everyone and welcome to another video on our channel. If you want to laugh out loud, keep watching this video because we have some of the most exciting car moments to show you. Before we start, kindly subscribe to this channel and hit that little notification bell icon. Here's our first clip, a TikTok of a car wash. Oh, there's a pigeon pooping on a windshield. Ironic because people go here to get clean, not more dirty. Ooh, look at these racing cars and how they sound before they take off. It's almost as if they're going to space instead of the highway. That's majestic. This dad has got to be the funniest car imitator ever. The way he moves, the way his arms move, the way he twitches his leg, and even the faces he makes are way too on point for a car driver. And the guy recording it is laughing so hard that even his camera is trembling. It's like he's a natural at a car wash, washing, driving, and turning left and right like if he were actually in there.
Look at the boys.
This crazy guy had a motorbike literally on the car trunk while driving like there was no tomorrow on the highway. Can I get a YOLO? What's this woman doing to this car? Taking a picture of each of the lights? That sure is a crazy girl. All right, we have this intrepid man get on a car with a huge block of snow on top and caved in on both sides, starting it up to see if he can get it out of the piles and piles of snow. Will he do it? It seems like he's struggling real hard at first, but after putting in some work, he manages to start the car with a big pile of snow still stuck on top. Here's a dose of instant karma. This guy sounds the horn and startles this woman who drops the breakfast on his windshield as she should. Whoa, these guys are setting this car's muffler on fire. Luckily, they had some water at hand to quench it.
Uh-oh.
Next up, we have this funny TikTok where this guy snores while sleeping so loud that he sounds like a car starting up. You've never seen a dog with more swag than this one looking out of the car. These New York cops told this guy to shut his car up while in public, in the middle of the street. If that ain't crazy, I don't know what is.
Shut up, idiot.
Oh! New challenge of the largest things you can fit into your exhaust. First, we have an exhaust check. Next, a large yellow tube and a fire extinguisher, a fist, and even a dog looking at it? That's surely one large exhaust. This car's horn can't stop sounding extra loud with these two people inside. The guy even had to get out because it was so loud. and the girl recording it just couldn't stop laughing.
Turn off! Oh! No! It won't turn off! Turn off! It won't turn off!
Here's a classic night at the gas station, with the attendant spitting on it to make it, fit better. Here's a natural fountain for cars who want to get clean while on the highway. Well, some accidents happen. You can be certain that you won't be caught with a dirty windshield while going through there. What happened to Siri? It seems like it went kind of crazy. She's just going, instead of telling people where they should go.
In 1.4 miles, take the exit onto I-80. Get onto I-80. Ohio Turnpike.
Hey, if you enjoyed these videos, like, comment, and subscribe for more cool compilations like this one. See you next time.